Well, the debate over mask mandates in schools goes on. While Prep Villa announced today masks will be optional, the issue was discussed at the Mill Creek School Board meeting. It's new at 10 o'clock. Julia Hazel was at that meeting and she joins us now live in the control room. And Julia, what did they have to say?
Good evening, Jennifer. Yes, that's right. So I was at the Mill Creek School Board meeting tonight, but a lot of different district leaders are also making the tough decision whether to keep or drop the mask requirements. Villa, Prep, Fairview have already announced today they're making it optional, whereas Mill Creek and Erie are keeping it the same for now. It's been almost a month now since the decision was left up to school district leaders for keeping or changing the mask protocols. Some schools in the area have already made masking optional, and one district that's closer to that decision is General McLean.
Our superintendent and our administration has proposed to do masking optional starting on February 28th for our students. And that is solely based on the number of COVID cases in the area.
However, for Erie and Mill Creek school districts, the superintendents are following CDC guidelines and are keeping the universal mask requirement. But due to the low number of COVID cases, Superintendent Ian Roberts announces new recommendations for the health and safety plan.
We are going to utilize the 2% of the enrolled number of students in each school to determine whether or not we move towards parent choice.
With these new recommendations, Dr. Roberts hopes it'll give a balance between protecting the students and giving families more options for masking.
Where our students are in terms of masking, that percentage of teachers who also asked for us to consider masking to be their choice, and certainly, as I've stated over and over again, we value the input from parents.
According to Superintendent Ian Roberts, students are still required to wear masks on buses due to the federal mandate. Now, the next meeting for both districts will be February 28th, where ultimately the decision will be made whether to keep or drop the mask mandates or requirements. Jennifer?
All right, Julia Hazel live in our control room. Thank you so much.